Good tidings to you cruisers, and thank you for joining. We welcome you for our popular Cruise Hive news updates as we proceed with a further 4 news stories as Carnival passengers want a port of call to return. We take a peek at new designs for residential cruise ship, as well as Holland America cruise ship Outbreak, and Carnival eases concerns over laundry. So join us as we delve fully into all these updates, brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. When Cuba welcomed US cruise lines in 2016, travellers eagerly boarded the MV Odonia for an historic voyage to Havana. Carnival Paradise soon followed, alongside ships from Royal Caribbean, Norwegian and others. However, new US travel restrictions in June 2019 ended these cruises. Now, 6 years later, passengers are urging Carnival to push for a return. A poll by Carnival's John Heald saw overwhelming support. Meanwhile, non-US lines like Ambassador Cruise Line still visit Cuba, with Ambiance arriving in Havana on February the 16th, 2025. Scottish company Clyde Built has unveiled updated plans for the Dark Island, a luxury residential cruise ship set to launch in 2028. Originally announced in 2019, the ship was first expected to set sail this year, but has faced delays. The new design expands the ship to 12 decks, with 236 suites, accommodating 724 residents and 540 crew members. Suite prices were initially listed between $8 million and $110 million in 2021, though updated pricing has not been confirmed. Once completed, the Dark Island will weigh almost 90,000 gross tons and measure 748 feet long. Its maiden voyage, an 800 World Day cruise, with future itineraries partially resident voted. A norovirus outbreak has been reported aboard Holland America Line's Rotterdam during its 12-night Panama Canal Sunfarer cruise. The ship departed Fort Lauderdale on February the 2nd and has visited Half Moon Cay, Aruba, Colombia, the Panama Canal and Costa Rica. A total of 119 people, 107 guests and 12 crew members have experienced vomiting and diarrhea. The Rotterdam is continuing its itinerary, scheduled to visit Montego Bay in Jamaica on February the 12th, before returning to Fort Lauderdale on February the 14th. Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador John Heald recently addressed passenger concerns about onboard laundry services. He confirmed that each guest laundry is placed in individual mesh bags before being washed together in industrial machines, preventing direct contact with others' clothing. Diamond level loyalty guests receive unlimited complimentary wash and fold service, while platinum members get limited free laundry. However, he'll clarify that all laundry, regardless of status, is processed the same way. While some guests question detergent scents and delicate care, most find Carnival service convenient and efficient. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.